everybody, welcome to WN. Channel, today we're gonna react to these amazing videos. Let's get started.
SB19.
Pinakamahalaga yung maipakita.
Oh my God. Justin.
Yung authentic self mo.
Rejection.
And yung relatability.
I love
Siguro po,
Josh.
nakitaan nila na
Howdy.
talagang sincerity
Wait, what
yung mga
is-
ginagawa natin.
Oh, already. Oh.
It's just
It's
Snippet.
Snippet.
Esquire chats.
With SB9. Oh.
Kasi ngayon po, we're independent artists na po.
Yes.
So, we have our own company na. So, from before siguro po, syempre, nagsistart pa lang kami. We take so much ideas and parang medyo mas controlled po kami before. So, ngayon po, talagang pinu-full out namin, nilalabas namin yung individuality and creative juices namin as an individual din po, as SB19 and as solos po. Tapos, ayun po, talagang mas controlled namin yung mga output po namin from before na we're still learning.
Yeah, but I really love how they become independent and become able to express about themselves more.
Parang
More
ang
free.
hirap po sagutin
Yes.
kasi talaga sa totoo lang po, memorable naman lahat
The
ng
outfit.
stops namin.
I
Kasi
still
nga, hindi
remember
naman
the Mahalima
every time
drama.
nakakapunta kami sa ibang bansa para i-meet yung mga fans namin. Pero if I'm to pick one, siguro po yung Toronto stop namin. Hindi pa po yung mismong concert. Meron po kaming moment na lumabas kami ng venue para lang magpahangin, pagbastan yung mga paligid.
Oh, wow.
Tapos may nakasalubong po kaming nanay. Tapos, pagbaba niya po ng car, tumakbo siya papunta sa amin, tapos nagsisisigaw siya, SB19, SB19. So parang almost hysterical na ata po yung ganun moment. Pero nakakatuwa lang po kasi kahit na anong edad, matanda, bata, parang na sinusuportahan pa rin po kami. And nakakatuwa lang na naaalala nila yung mga apo, yung mga anak nila sa amin. So, yun po yung memorable.
Oh. Oh, the
Yeah,
AAA.
when
We've been preparing for it our entire life siguro our entire life. Siguro po ever since na sinimulan po namin yung journey na to, yung mga ganong stages po talaga yung nilook forward namin. And for us, parang siguro mas physical and
Those sa
siguro
Korea.
yung paano namin binuo during those times kasi marami kami
This is
problema.
Japan.
In terms of siguro mentally prepare, parang mas gigil po kami sumampa sa stage during that time. So parang matagal na po namin talaga inaantay yung mga ganong klaseng opportunities. And we're very glad na isa po kami sa naimbitahan
it's
para
a big
mag-perform.
event,
Nabigyan
guys.
pa po
So
ng
you
award.
guys have to. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, for real.
Collabs po, maraming kaming gustong mga collab na
Bini.
local artists and of course,
Yes, Beanie, please.
international artists. Kung mabibigyan po ng chance, talaga
G20?
super grateful and thankful
G22
kami.
and the
Kasi
South Korea.
sa tingin po namin
Singer.
right now, SB19.
They-
Kasi
oh,
parang
yeah.
sa dami na po ng mga songs din na
Acer.
na-release, nagawa ni
Oh.
SB19. Parang
Kalakaw.
I think it will be a good record then for us to collaborate with other artists then just to show our other skills pa ng SB19.
Sana hero.
Masasabi natin other side ng SB19 kasi mahirap din for us to be to be always confident sa kung ano yung ginagawa namin palagi and for us to show and to showcase different sound naman with different artists. It's something na and excited din yung fans na makita from us. So local and international marami po. Sana
They know their fans really well.
Mas masasabi po namin na mas pressured kami sa future ng P-pop. Parang gano'n. Kasi ever since naman po, yung talagang gusto namin, lumaki yung community and mas marami pang opportunities mabigay sa ibang artists. For us, talaga, hindi po kami ganun ka-pressured as SB19. Parang the greater
Oh my
good,
God.
yung mas
Wow,
nakaka-pressured
Stel.
po eh. Kasi
When was this? Because
This is for what the name of the channel? The photo shoot for it's like their magazine.
the magazine, yeah.
Wow.
I live style.
Style. Oh my God, he looks like the prince of Crocs. Wow, I love
All
the white
From
and
the
black
right-
outfit.
from the right to the left, like Pablo is
Josh, I
the
can
wild
with
one,
Josh.
Josh,
I can with Josh.
he looks like a military.
This is that's
Justin looked like an IT guy. come on, style, fashion designer, and yeah, Ken. Wow,
Yes.
the looks.
Yes. Wow.
We've been doing this non-stop. Talaga medyo, kung makikita nyo nga po,
Look at those
paulit-ulit
buildings.
yung question sa amin. Pero pare-pareho po namin na sinasabi na talagang may goal po kami for the OPM and P-pop
All
itself.
the
So yun po
Filipinos
siguro yung pressure
music.
na pwede na masasabi namin. And we're very glad na ngayon po parang mas maliwanag na and mas marami po
cancel,
nabibigyan talaga din ng
Most of
siguro
the time.
spotlight.
Because
Not
he's
just
the
syempre
only one that-
SB and
Silence.
si Bini, parang dumadami na
What's
rin
si
po yung
Bini?
nagkakaroon pa na iba. And
Waiting for his turn.
future, mas marami pa po and mas madali po siguro mas mabilis namin ma-reach yung goal ng sama-sama.
Goal of either? I think
The translation, yeah.
Puro po, isa po kasi sa pinakamahalaga yung maipakita mo na yung authentic self mo.
I think they're
And
the
yung
most
relatability.
religious
Siyempre parang ako po,
group
marilas yung
because
makakita ko
whenever
stranger.
they always pray.
Parang ang hirap
Yeah.
lapitan kapag wala
Yes, they
kang
should be.
familiar na bagay na ipapakita. And yung way po namin nakikipag-usap sa mga fans namin, sa mga supporters namin.
Oh.
It's the same way kung paano namin kinakausap yung mga
That's
kaibigan
true,
namin,
yeah.
yung mga family namin.
They are the
And
only
siguro po, nakitaan
artists
nila
that
na
I seen that
talagang
doesn't set a
sincerity
boundaries.
yung mga
You know?
ginagawa namin. Kaya naman mas tumindi yung pagsuporta po nila sa amin. Pero yun po, authenticity, authentic self.
Oh yeah.
To be honest po, at nung nagsisimula po, parang it's quite hard to explain sa family namin, sa parents namin, yung situation namin na we know we want to be, kasi syempre sila po gusto lang nila maging mabait, gusto maging supportive, and
No,
they
what?
are also
It's
very thankful
Tagalog.
sa fans. And siguro po,
Sorry
syempre sa
guys,
amin,
the translation.
minsan, hindi nila nakikita, pero nakikita namin. And for us, parang nagkakaroon nung, yun nga po, yung boundaries na nag-step na over the boundaries or yung privacy namin, minsan
Episode
talagang
SpongeBob.
nawawala na. Especially
Yeah,
dito when siguro yung importance din ng mga bagay na hindi na dapat i-disclose, minsan na-share nila. Syempre po kasi parang they're very nice din. Kumbaga, they don't want to be rude din sa mga fans. So, yun po, siguro sa amin talagang tinatry namin i-explain, and until now talagang nag-explain pa rin kami sa parents namin na alam natin na gusto nating maging mabait, gusto nating magbalik.
You can
But
speak to,
we have to be safe,
Ken,
or
please
we have
give
to
us
protect
something.
something din, yung image, yung kung ano ginagawa natin sa bahay, sa buhay, yung mga projects namin, minsan baka nasuspoil na, ganyan. Yeah, safety din po, syempre yung address namin, kung ano, kasi although we know, we trust our fans, syempre po, we don't know din kung ano ba talaga, kasi ang daming tao, malawak yung mundo. So, para anytime, baka kung ano yung mangyari, hindi natin alam. So, ayun po, slowly naman, naiintindihan na rin ng parents. And siguro yun po, nai-enjoy lang din talaga nila na meron silang bagong nakikilala and na-feel nilang nakakapagbalik.
It's just like, he's talking about like, even like the fans understand between the matter that they doesn't goes to the families and disturb their private life.
Yes, but I don't know the rest.
Yes.
Mahal ko. Okay, thank you for this interview.
I love how Ken's voice his opinions, guys. He really have a deep talk about everything.
Wow!
But yeah, what a performance! What an interview!
Not even single word. Okay.
Maybe yes, but still, I really love how all the members perfectly explains. I love how they connect with each other, and I hope that they still goes at as it is because the one they grew as SB19 and they become more massive as SB19. That's the only wish that I wish, you know.
Okay.
By the way, this is the reaction video. Bye bye.